You may want to send a PDF file to someone through Instagram, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to send PDF file on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just go ahead and open up our Instagram app over here. And from the home page, click on this messenger icon at the top right. And I'm going to open up a certain conversation. And I'm going to show you what Instagram allows us to send. So Instagram only allows us to send voice messages by using this microphone icon, sending photos from our gallery, stickers, GIFs, and taking a photo right on the conversation. So it doesn't let us to send PDF files or other document types. Now to send a PDF file, just open up your Files app where your PDF file is, locate that PDF file and open it. Now, if your PDF file only has one page, so for example, assuming that this document only has a one page, what you can do is to actually just screenshot that PDF file or like that. So to screenshot it, just click on your power button and volume up button simultaneously, and that should take the screenshot, and then you can then go to Instagram, go back to that conversation, click on this gallery icon and just send that specific screenshot. Now, if your PDF file has too many pages and screenshots won't do, just open up your Safari or any browser you have on your phone. And what you're going to search for is WeTransfer.com. So go to that site and let's wait for it to load. Now, once the page loads up, just click on this Send a File option. Click on I agree and click on this plus icon, this OK option as well. And then click on Choose File since that is where our PDF file is. Select your file and click on Open at the top right. Then you can customize the title, add a message, and then click Next once you're done. And then you click on Get a Link here and click on Get a Link at the bottom right, and let's wait for this to be uploaded to the servers of WeTransfer, and let's wait for it to be done. And now you can then copy the download link, click on Copy Link at the bottom mid. Let's go back to Instagram and paste that link in and send that to your friend, and they should be able to access your PDF file. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.